Hi! In front of me is OPPO A54s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose home screen and lock screen over here, tap on home screen mode and select simple one over here. Finally click on apply and select switch. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, you need to go into settings again and click on exit simple mode. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!